I thank the gentleman for yielding. Mr. Speaker, I have always looked for opportunities and ways to support our nation's small businesses. We all know that they are the real job creators in our country. Well, today, I strongly support repealing the enhanced 1099 tax reporting requirement established under the Affordable Care Act. Businesses across my home state of Rhode Island and the country have made it crystal clear that this is a highly problematic requirement that results in serious logistical and financial burdens if it's not addressed before next year's implementation. Now, we passed the Affordable Care Act in part to ease the burdens of health care costs on small businesses, not replace them with onerous tax provisions. This is an opportunity for lawmakers, regardless of party affiliation, to come together and fix a problem in the Health Care Reform Act that will protect businesses of all sizes. Now, I was proud to vote for this, the repeal of this provision last year, and was equally disappointed that it didn't garner enough votes to pass either the House or the Senate. But it is my sincere hope that Democrats and Republicans will take this opportunity to set aside the differences and agree to repeal this provision in both a fiscally and socially responsible way. Now, as currently drafted, this repeal would be paid for by raising taxes on middle-class families and making it harder for them to afford private health insurance when the Affordable Care Act goes into effect in 2014. This is unacceptable. Surely we can find a better way to pay for a bill that lessens the tax burden on businesses than by increasing the tax burden on middle-class and low-income families. To that end, I ask my colleagues to support this measure, but to consider an alternative way to pay for this bill when the House resolves its differences with the Senate. Businesses everywhere are counting on us to come through for them, as is the middle class. We can't afford to let them down. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. With that, I yield back the balance of my time.
Gentleman yields back. Gentleman from South Carolina.